Hello, this is Brian here at Berkey's in Urbana. Today we're here to talk to you about a 2021 8250 Case IH Combine. It has 890 engine hours, 735 separator hours. The machine has a full automation package, in-cab adjustments. It has HID lighting, power cab mirrors, luxury cab. It has power folding extensions. It would come with a Pro 700 display, NAV2 controller WAAS, 372 receiver. As you can see, the machine also has 1250 LSW front tires. If you have any questions about this machine and you're interested in talking about it, please reach out to me, Brian McCoy, here at our Berkey's Urbana location at 217-337-1772.